So in this example, they're asking is g, which is equal to the cube root of x minus 2, is that f inverse? So first thing I'll do, there's a couple ways to go, but I'll just calculate f inverse based on our three-step process over here. First step, remembering that, well, I guess it's a pre-step, f of x is always equal to y. So I'll replace f of x with y just so that it makes it easier for our computations. Now we're ready to find the inverse. We're going to interchange x and y. So that just means they switch places wherever they're at. So y becomes x and x becomes y. So notice they have changed places. And we're going to solve for the new y. So if we do this, we would have to subtract 2 from both sides. So that will leave us with x minus 2 on the left equals y cubed on the right. And if we're going to solve for y completely, we'd have to take the cube root of both sides. So if I do that, if I take the cube root of both sides, this will leave me with y on the right, and we would get the cube root of x minus 2. Last step, so we don't confuse the function in the beginning with the calculation at the end, we want to replace y with f inverse. So this will leave us with, I'll kind of go over here, f inverse of x is going to equal to cube root of x minus 2. So we have just calculated the inverse of f of x. The next thing we do is just answer the question. They're asking us, is g equal to f inverse? And so if you want to do some comparison really quickly, notice that the calculations are exactly the same. So we would finish off this problem by answering yes.